Hello guys, and welcome back to another video in the in Angular series. In this video I want to show you how we can use the ng-bind directive to uh, change some values in HTML tags and compare it with the expression model. At first, I want to put some initial values in here. For example, I want to write a code to change kilogram into gram, and the first initial uh, variable is kilo. I want to put it, for example, 60 kilos, and I want to put uh, variable to change this kilo into grams to g is equal to 1000. Okay, if I put a p tag in here, for example, I say my weight, or I shouldn't put h in weight, in gram equal to span, and this span tag I want to bind this expression that change the kilogram into gram. Bind equal to kilo multiplied by this k to g. You can see I didn't write anything in here, but automatically Angular binds the value of this expression kilo multiplied by k to g and put it in this span value. And for example, I want to change the temperature in Fahrenheit to Celsius. For example, the temperature is, I don't know, 40, and in here I will put a p tag, the temperature in Celsius is, and I can span tag, and in the span tag I want to put a formula by ng bind equal to the formula to change Fahrenheit to Celsius is like this: temp minus 32 multiplied by 5 and there's 9. Okay, you can see 40 is in Fahrenheit is 4.444, and if I put 32, 32 in Fahrenheit equal to 0 in Celsius, or 212 equals to 100 degree of Celsius. I can also uh, instead of these binding commands, I can use expression with two curly brackets. Let's change these by, let's copy this, and here I want to put two curly brackets. Okay, and again copy this and deleting this binding and put two curly brackets, paste it in here and close the curly bracket. You can see the result is the same for both of these two uh, way of putting these variable, these three variables into HTML tags. One way is using bind command, and the other way is using these two curly brackets as an expression. Uh, I hope you liked this video. I really appreciate if you press the like button and press the subscription button. It really helps me continuing these uh, trainings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have fun and goodbye.